Hey friends, today we have the all new Rainbow High house. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. This thing is huge, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so big, 4 feet tall. There's a bunch of pieces in this box. I cannot wait to get them out and put them together. Here's the pieces in the beginning. This is everything that it comes without the box. Let me see what else we got here. Just all the accessories. Very nice stuff. All right, let's put it together, guys. Okay, friends, how we doing? We are back. We have the house fully finished. I'm just zooming out for you guys so you can see the back of this house. I feel like the back is not shown enough. Definitely a play on the rainbow Louis Vuitton trunk print and purse print that we all love and know so well. Okay, give it to me, Rainbow High. I really love it, and it's really giving. I want y'all to see the roof. OMG. And then I want y'all to see this elevator. It's down here, and it is super tall, friends. Super, super tall. What else about the outside? There's the tub. Just gonna show you all this. Very, very lovely, guys. And here is the dorm as a whole, friends. Top to bottom, bottom to top, so you can see everything going on here. It is so lovely and so nice from the front view. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Oh, hey there, Skylar. Skylar from winter break is waiting on us. Hey, girl, you already got here before me? That's fine. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Okay, beautiful. Look at the couch. It's made of, I can take it out and show you guys. It's a close-up on it. The couch is definitely made of, like, you know that LOL surprise plastic that some of the LOL Tots clothing is made out of? That's why they say soft couch, because it is really soft, guys. Beautiful. Adorable. I love the gold feet. If you watch Tad's toy review, you know what John said, that this house is rich and it is luxurious. Okay, very rich, very luxurious. I mean, look at this is to me where they would put like the address, and look at the inscribing right here, the gold handles on the door. Just when you walk in, look at the floor. Okay, the floor is lovely. It has marking Rainbow High. Beautiful. Let's move over to the bathroom. Very nice. The directions say there is a water feature in the tub and shower. I have not tried it. I might try that on live if you guys want to see it. Tiled floor, because everybody knows a good bathroom, a good rich luxurious bathroom has tile in it. Okay, okay. Next, let's go up to the kitchen. Oh my, and helper, she set this up so lovely. She gave view of the accessories, the plates, the forks, and the knives. Let me get up here for you guys to see. It has a little Chinese takeout box, which I think is just so cute. There's that little added detail. The counter, the clear chairs, something I've never seen before. Oh my gosh, the fridge is stocked. Oh wow, very nice. You can move this counter, and I like to have this counter right here to make my kitchen seem huge. And this opens. Hold on if I can get it open. Okay, anyway, the freezer and the refrigerator both open. The oven opens, but I'm having trouble right now getting it with these nails. That's fine. The rack, the clear trunk. Oh my gosh. The washing machine. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys this. If you put some clothes in there, the washing machine will work. Let's try a towel from the bathroom. Let's say that your towel gets dirty. Put your towel in there. Your towels are dirty, right? Here we go, friends. Oh, I'm cleaning my towels. Very nice. In the laundry room. It's, I don't know, I guess I would call it a laundry room slash closet. It's whatever you want it to be, right? Kitchen with this gold toaster. I just thought this was just a very neat addition. So cute. That's what we love about Rainbow High, are the details. You got water bottles and more silverware. Okay, very, very lovely. This one says rainbow on it. I really like that one. This says Glitterade. Very, very funny because of Rainbow High. I like the play on that. I really like what they did there. Then we'll move up to the roof where there's a hot tub up here. And we did try the water feature. We didn't see too many bubbles come through here, but my friends, you guys may have better luck with that. Please make sure you put a towel down when trying to push this. Mine's is like very hard to push. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. Now let's move over to the bedroom. Oh my gosh. Friends, the bedroom is so fire to me. Like, look at the artwork on the walls. OMG. And this little bear, if they were to make this bear as an accessory in real life, OMG, okay? Pictures of the girls. Look at Jet. A trunk with your glasses in it. The back over here. This little mannequin back there is so cute. Rainbow High and lights. The Rainbow High printed trunks right here. Very pretty. This purse to die for. Shoes. I have winter break of Violet. She is sitting here. Hey, how you doing? She is in her jammies and her little slippers. But I wanted to show y'all the bedding. Like, look, they took the time to do the bedding like this. And I just think it is really nice that they took the time to embroider. It's really soft, okay? Very, very soft. And even this is very soft, like very good material. It isn't like a piece of paper, okay, that some doll brands will throw up there for their houses, okay? Okay. Got a nice little dresser, nightstand right here. And I want to say that's pretty much it. Like everybody else states, the elevator is very, the tension on the elevator is very tight. So to get the elevator up, you really got to push it. And I'm doing it with one hand, but you really got to push it up there to get to the next floor. So to get Skylar up to the next floor, you see how much I had to push. I definitely needs a little oomph to get to the next floor, but I I don't mind, okay? We don't mind, that's fine. Anything else? Also this chair, I want to point out this chair down here, sorry. I want to point out this chair down here in the living room because when I opened the accessory box, I just thought that this was the cutest thing I've ever saw, friends. So pretty. I just love this chair. I just love it. It's so cute. Anything else? That's about it, folks. I'll see you next time, doll friends. Okay? Bye-bye now.
It's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute. Ooh, it's been a hot minute. It's been a hot minute.
Hello and welcome back to Doll Chat Podcast.